Hey guys, what's up? My name is Clank and welcome back to a brand new video. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to think of a really creative YouTube channel name. And I would say, let's get started. So first of all, I want to apologize to you guys because my voice is so bad. I'm really sick right now, so I really do apologize for that. But getting back to the point, let's get started with the video. So the first tip I want to give you guys to start up and think of a YouTube channel name is to just use your name right off the bat. Like, this can be really easy to implement, but it's damn hard. The first thing I want to say is you can use a name so that most people will notice you by your name and you don't need to say your name over and over again in your YouTube channel, but you're easily noticed by your name given on your YouTube channel. But at some points this is really hard because if your name is James or Kevin, many people have that name, so you cannot use that name for your YouTube channel. So for this, what you can do is you can just add random words to the end of your name. If that makes sense. You can use random words, like if your name is Kevin and you do vlogs, your name can be Kevin Vlogs, so that can stand up for the rest of the Kevin in YouTube, right? If that makes sense. So that's the first tip, and let's get into the second tip. So this video is quite a bit short, so a quick disclaimer. So the second tip I want to give you guys is use random name generator websites. Now this is really easy, so you can use names that are not used by a lot of people, which is really convenient for you guys. Now please don't click off the video. I know many people do not like name generators because name generating websites don't provide the best, but I've got some picks for you guys in the description down below, so you guys can check them out. And the way you can use it is you can select the niche you guys are. So if you're doing vlogs, you can like put James Vlogs as the keyword for the name generating websites, or you just can put James, so the name generating websites will give you all the picks that they have randomly. So that's a good selection of selecting YouTube names, so if that makes sense. So that's the second tip. You guys can implement it in the description down below. The websites are there. So going on to the third tip I'll be discussing a little bit more, which is combining random letters from the alphabet and randomly combining together. So this tip is really useful, but if you have more time and if you can spend much time on that, it's really gonna pay off. Like, the way you should do is you have to write letters from A to Z and then combine all these words and put some vowels, consonants and stuff, and then obviously you're gonna get awesome names. So write all of them down and compare all of them to each other. So if you like one, you can pick them up. So the way you should do is like as I said before, combine all the names randomly together, add 2 or 3 vowels, 2 consonants. Make sure the name you're considering or the name you're gonna like implement in your YouTube channel, if that makes sense, compares and relates to the videos you're uploading, because that has to be really essential. What if your name is Visual Art and you're uploading reaction videos? I mean, that's not gonna work. If you're gonna put reaction videos, you gotta have a good name that relates to that topic. So I really don't have any picks for that, but hope you guys enjoyed all these 3 tips. Hope you guys enjoyed all these 3 tips, as I said before. So if you guys have any name, like if you guys have planned out any name for your YouTube channel, make sure to put it in the comment section down below. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, because more videos are coming up. And also click on the like button. I would really appreciate that. And also check out all the links of the websites I mentioned in the description down below. Also follow me on social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.